अच्छे है। ये ब्रांड स्लोगन सुनते एक ही ब्रांड याद आ जाता है और वो है सर्फ एक्सेल। उनके एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स और स्लोगन कैसे दिल और दिमाग में छप जाती है। Welcome to Marketing Mind. My name is Caroline Seguera and today we are going to learn about Surf Excel's marketing for Daag Achhe Hai. This is your daily reminder to hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time Marketing Mind uploads a video. Now let's jump right into the video. Surf Excel was originally launched as Surf in 1959. It had become a very popular household item in India and people started referring to Surf as detergent powder. Now that's some powerful impact. It is a Unilever product brand and is currently marketed in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Sri Lanka, which is why they had to do utmost marketing to make sure that their customers realize that the premium quality of products is at a reasonable price. Surf introduced Lalita Ji. She was a smart, independent, prudent homemaker who would never compromise on quality, yet wanted to buy things at an affordable price. She not only became an inspiration for other homemakers, but also a memorable character in the Indian advertisements. The initial tagline of Surf Excel was "सस्ती चीज खरीदने में और अच्छी चीज खरीदने में फर्क होता है," which really stands out to be what Surf Excel is really all about. It renamed itself as Surf Excel in 1996, and therefore the tagline "Daag Achhe Hai" became the latest tagline of them from 2005. This is a very important tagline for Surf Excel, because not only did it stand out from its competitors, but the real meaning was a philosophical relation of dirt with humanity, providing a social message to everybody. The Daag Achhe Hai campaign offered a different take than its usual competitors. While all of their competitors were out there in the market telling about their product in specific and how they wanted spot cleanliness and how dirt is really bad, Surf Excel took the U-turn and told everybody that stain is good. That is Daag Achhe Hai. They associated dirt with something that can be removed and is not actually really bad for you. The very first advertisement of Daag Achhe Hai featured two adorable children which stole the hearts of everybody. The campaign goes as follows. When two children returning from school, when their younger sister accidentally falls into a puddle and starts crying, her protective brother dives into the same puddle to take revenge and make it apologize to his sister. The innocence of both the children and their charm touched the hearts and made this ad memorable. In 2006, Surf Excel launched a contest, Surf Excel 101, which provided an INR of 5 lakh rupees to kids for promoting education alongside Stain is Good. This campaign helped Surf Excel be on the top and have a very good comeback. In the later parts of Daag Achhe Hai campaign, they made sure to have great storytelling on occasions such as Diwali, Ramzan, so on and so forth, for the core presentation of Daag Achhe Hai from the eyes and the mindset of the kids. Surf Excel further extended their campaigns by jumping on the trending bandwagons. For example, the general elections of 2014. They ran a campaign that said, "अगर उंगली पे दाग लगने से अच्छी सरकार बनती है, तो दाग अच्छे हैं." This merely translates to, if the staining of the finger results in the good formation of a good government, then stain is good. Here, the daag is stood for the ink mark that is left during voting. These such advertisements created an impact on the consumers and made them want to buy the product, and also a touch of emotional appeal. Even if Surf Excel is the oldest detergent product in India, they've always backed the age-old proverb that old is gold. Big brands come and go in the detergent market, but Surf Excel is here to stay. They have one of the most iconic campaigns, iconic characters, and yes, the king in TV ads. Over the years, Surf Excel has managed to express themselves with Daag Achhe Hai, a very cute, sweet, thought-out campaign that has made itself to engrave in the customers' minds and hearts. Tell us, what is your favorite Surf Excel ad? And you know the drill. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Marketing Mind. And this is Caroline Seguera signing out.